Hello, awesome customers looking for professional HVAC service company in Dallas, Texas. Need quality and reliable AC installation, furnace maintenance and heater repair in Rockwall, Heath and other surrounding in Texas areas? You have come to the right place. Our specialization: HVAC repair and maintenance, AC system installation and unit replacements, air conditioning and heating repair, furnace installation, master electrician to electrical services, 24/7 emergency service, and many more. Why choose Art Electric? Excellent workmanship, 24/7 AC, furnace and heater service, lower prices than most companies in Texas, free estimates, high-quality equipment, parts and labor warranties, installs and repairs. Trusted and preferred contractor in Texas. What are you waiting for? Contact Art Electric today. Call us at 2143-165944.